Coach. Today we are going to learn about the game volleyball. Volleyball is a very fast game which has three important things you are going to learn today. Before starting the skill, we are going to do some warm up, like running around 3 rounds of the court, jumping, rotating your arms, and like that. After that, slowly we'll start the skill practice. The first skill we are going to learn today is the underhand skill. Underhand means this position, or you can call it as bumping the ball. How to pass volleyball? First thing, we will talk about our stance. Stance means how to stand and a ready position. There are 3 different positions. One is high body position, standing straight, and second one is low body position, which is very close to the ground, and the third one is medium body position, where in that position we can receive any kind of ball from whichever angle it is traveling. It will be better to be in medium body position. While playing underhand, you have to keep your feet little wide according to your shoulder width. Feet staggered. Staggered means one forward and one back, like this. Then keep your shoulder forward and your arms relaxed, so that when the ball is coming to you, you can be ready to receive the ball. Here how it looks when the knees are bent, feet staggered, and you can see the arms are in front and shoulder forward bent. This is the position it looks while playing underhand. Now I am going to show you the demo. Are not in parallel position. If it is like this or something, the platform here, you can see it will be uneven. If it is uneven, then you can't play the ball properly where you want to play. The ball will jump in other way or in other direction. Volleyball, as I told, it's a very fast-paced game. If the ball is traveling 50 miles speed from a distance of 20 feet, you will not have time to receive. So you have to make your stance solid and the platform, shoulders forward, relaxed arm, so that you can receive the ball easily. And where you are supposed to hit the ball, from which part of your hand you are supposed to hit the ball. I am going to tell you that. If the ball is coming towards you, you have to receive the ball from this part, that is above your wrist where you tie your watch and below your elbows, so that it will make a even surface for the ball to play. If you play the ball above your elbow, it will be dangerous because it will be very close to your face. Ball may hit your face, rebound and hit your face. If you are going to receive the ball below the wrist, that is here in this part, the ball will not be in control because of the bones which are in the fingers. The ball will go in other directions. So children, please follow the instructions and don't play inside the home. Play outside where it's an open space so that you can practice easily without damaging any of the equipments around you. And children, be safe, come back safe. I think you all came to know about underhand. Please practice. Thank you. Hi, good morning children. As we have learnt in the first session, that is the underhand pass. That is one of the skill in volleyball. But today we are going to go with the second skill, that is called upper hand or upper arm pass. Teaching basics of overhead pass, upper hand pass is how to form your hand and how to get into your proper stance and how to execute. The first one is keep your feet little wider according to your shoulder width. Position not wide enough, the feet, it should be balanced and ready to receive. The position is very similar to the underhand, bumping the ball position. And the second one is how to make the hands while receiving the ball. Making the palm in a ball-shaped hands. Not placing over full palm to the ball. There should be a gap and a combination of wrist and arm movement. Wrist and arm. This is how it looks while playing the upper arm. This is the position. That is ducking from the ball, not putting hands up to play like this, carrying the ball. These are the things which could have been an overhead pass. While playing overhead pass, have a partner with the volleyball so that the partner can toss the ball to you towards your upper body. Make sure your hands are in a ready position so that you can easily receive the ball. If you are not able to play the overhand pass, then try to catch the ball and throw the ball in the same way back. Catch and practice this for some time. Then afterwards you can stop catching the ball and try to push the ball with the combination of wrist and arm movement. So if you regularly practice this, definitely you can play the overhead pass. Children, once again, I want to say you be safe, come back safe, and practice well. Thank you.